Hey, just welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode, we got this cool episode right here, and basically what this is a headlight replacement for your low beam light. If you guys want the high beam option, you probably want to go for a 9005. That is the right one for that one. So obviously, if you guys get the ultra option, it's the brightest one out of all the ones that are available in terms of basic, extra vision, and also SilverStar option. If you can see for the one that we got right here from this brand, and for the one that we got right here is called SilverStar Ultra. If you can see on the side right here, they do probably got some specs and features about the product. So when you guys do set it up, it will give you guys a very high brightness when you guys do use it. Not only for the front, but also on the side as well. And they mentioned for this light, when you guys do use it, it is legal on the road. But right here in the middle, if you see we do have the product. If you see how it does give you guys two of them. They do have the option for you guys to buy one of them if you guys only need one. But it's better for you guys to buy two of them and replace all of them at the same time. Especially if you guys do plan on replacing your low beam light, you definitely want to replace the other one at the same time in terms of fog light and the high beam light as well. So that way the lifespan is about the same when you guys do use it, and that way you know how long to use it as well. Even though if you guys don't use a high beam or your fog light often, it's probably better for you guys to replace it. Another thing to remember is the fact that since it is an ultra light, it's much brighter and consumes a lot more power than the regular basic version. So when you guys compare the lifespan of this one versus like the basic version, it won't last as long because it's much brighter. So that's something to kind of consider when you guys do purchase any kind of strong light. You probably have to replace it more often than the regular basic version. But we see in the back right here, they do probably got some specs and features about the product in terms of basic version and etc. But you see, all you guys need to do is just plug this part in and connect it together to actually start using it. So that is basically everything that's on the product. Let me actually go install this and also show you guys the before and after once we finish installing it to show you guys the difference. So here is basically what the product looks like with the light on. Welcome back, guys. So now so quick test the product, and definitely actually does work, actually works quite well. So obviously because there's a lot of stuff in the way when you guys do replace your light bulb, it's hard for me to film that part. But we see the difference when you guys do set it up. It does make a huge difference in terms of brightness level when you guys do use it. So if you guys are running low on your battery life for your light, you do want to place it soon. But in terms of which one to replace, that is totally up to you guys. Whether if you guys want brighter light that lasts less, or if you guys want the basic option where the light is not as bright, but the lifespan is much longer, those are your different options available. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to come unboxing and testing product, now to answer the question of whether or not such work or not. So for this part, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys in the market looking for the high quality replacement lights that you can use for a low beam light, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't want these, that obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.